Hi, I'm Melissa Gragg, and I provide business valuation services and family mediation services in St. Louis, Missouri. Lately, I've been getting a lot of calls from business owners about how to value a business, but really they're just calling to ask about what it means to, from a financial standpoint, when they get divorced. So maybe they're just doing a little research before they tell their spouse, but in most cases, the couple has already agreed to get divorced, but they just don't know how to go about doing it without going to court. Most of their questions have to do with business valuation, divorce planning, or how to calculate alimony and child support. So let's clear up a big misconception. Everybody thinks that the only way to get divorced is by fighting in court. This is actually how divorce has always been portrayed in the news and on TV, but lately people kind of want to get divorced in a way that preserves their wealth, provides a nice lifestyle for two separate households, and maybe even protects their kids. So if you want to have a little bit more control over your future and not leave it up to a judge, you still have options. The first one is just sitting down with each other, outlining how you're going to split up everything. This will include discussing what you're going to do going forward, if only one person works, what you're going to do about the kids, where you're going to live, all of these types of things. It actually seems simple, but there's really no guidance from any financial person or from a legal standpoint. So then you have divorce mediation, which always involves a few more people to help you sort through all the issues. There are many ways you can go about this mediation process. You can hire a mediator who could be an attorney or a financial expert. Each person could also hire a separate attorney to support you individually through the process and then give you some legal advice. You can also, if you had a business, you could jointly hire a company valuation expert. The mediator really guides you through the process and those difficult discussions and helps you to agree on the plan. There's some structure, but the couple is very much still in control. Most of the times they have agreed on maybe 90% of what they want to do going in the future, but they still need to discuss that 10%. So another option along these same lines is something called collaborative divorce. So this process has a little bit more structure and involves a coach who serves as the facilitator of the meeting. And then each person also has an attorney. There could also be somebody called a financial neutral who will help the couple understand the tax implications of the settlement, or if there's retirement funds, if there are bank accounts, if there are complex assets, all of those a financial neutral can work the couple through. The key difference in this process is that both people agree to go through the process and not to ever go to court. So if the couple decides to stop this process, the collaborative process kind of breaks down, then all the professionals involved, the attorneys, the coach, the financial neutral, are all prohibited to work with this couple going forward into litigation. So basically you have to start over, which means it's going to cost a lot more money. But if you are both committed to settling your divorce outside of court, collaborative divorce really helps give a good structure and moves people to the finish line, even when there are very difficult issues that the couple may need to discuss. The couple's still very much in control, and they can have it go as quickly or as slowly as possible, depending upon the situation. Finally, there's litigation, which is where each person hires an attorney, and then you basically follow the legal process to exchange documents, formally interview each other, call depositions, there are subpoenas, you're going to meet with the judge to decide if there's going to be alimony, and you kind of work through the process. Most of this type of divorce in litigation is directed by the professionals involved, the attorneys, the experts, and things. This is a good situation for people who cannot agree really on anything and need some formal way to get divorced. So most people who have complex financial situations may have enough money to support two households after the divorce, but they just don't want to waste their money on people who could help them get divorced. Here's the thing. The people you hire and the process you choose will be worth the money, because then you both have a clear plan on how to move forward. There's no good or bad option. It really depends on the dynamics of the couple. So if you'd like to discuss your particular situation, or you have more questions about divorce mediation services or collaborative divorce in Missouri or Illinois, check out our website at valuationstlouis.com or email me at melissa@bridgevaluation.com, or you can just give me a call at 314-541-8163. Thanks.